TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good morning, folks. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in Clearwater, Florida. It's Monday. It's 9 a.m., 30 minutes to go until that opening bell. Let's check in on markets as it looks like a slightly positive open. We have Nasdaq leading the way in positive territory, up 22 points, trading at 66.98. S&P's up 5 points, trading at 26.76. And the Dow positive by about 40 points, trading at 24,473. Start things off. Let's jump over to the Nadex platform and check in on some of these futures markets. Quite an acceleration we've had since the overnight session. We're in positive territory, but we were in some negative territory. To pull this back, quite a seesaw battle as we trade lower until about 4:30 in the morning. And from there, start things off with the Nasdaq 100. We were down there about 66.62. We're a solid 38 points above that level currently, just above 6,700. Call it 67.01 in the Nasdaq 100. S&P 500, pretty similar chart. 4 a.m., 5 a.m., we start an acceleration at about 6 a.m. We're down there at 26.66. We'll rise about 11 points in the S&Ps, currently 26.77. Dow 30, pretty similar action. We're down there 24,380, let's call it. Dow, we're about 100 points positive from that level, trading 24,479. Crude oil, quite a drop we saw just at 8 a.m. Eastern time. We were up there above $68, call it $68.25, and from there we've dropped about a solid $1 in the last hour. Crude oil currently trading $67.29. Gold contract struggling as well this morning. Gold down about $12 currently. We were up there at about $13.36 in the overnight session. Currently almost $10 below that level, trading $13.2735. And Bitcoin with a little bit of a bid, almost 9,000 in Bitcoin, currently trading $89.74. So some of the headlines out there this morning as we wait for the opening bell on Monday morning. You have the 10-year Treasury yield possibly hitting 3% right there. We're at 2.988. As of just early this morning, inching closer to 3%, a level not seen since 2014. So that will be on everybody's radar this morning. You have Hasbro releasing disappointing earnings, blaming Toys R Us liquidation for lackluster sales. You also have aluminum shares plunging this morning as the U.S. softens stance on Rusal sanctions, the Russian United company Rusal. And then Amazon, they're going to be putting robots in your house in a year. We'll see if that's the truth, but reportedly building personal robots, which I'm sure will work off that Alexa system. Stay tuned. Larry Pesvento coming up right now. He's got a great guest. I'll be back at 10 o'clock with Tom. Have a great Monday, everybody.